Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Speaking Practice, the channel where we help you learn English slowly, clearly, and confidently. My name is Amma, and I'm very happy you are here with us today.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. My name is Jack, and I'm excited to practice English with you today.
Jack, how are you today?
I'm doing very well, thank you, Amma. And how are you?
I'm feeling great. I'm happy, relaxed, and ready to learn.
That's wonderful. So, Amma, what is our topic today?
Today's topic is very important. Today we are going to learn how to answer one simple but very common question.
Oh, I know this question.
Yes, the question is, tell me about yourself.
Ah, yes. People ask this question all the time.
That's right. You hear this question in many situations.
For example, in a classroom,
Yes. Or at a new job.
or when you meet new people.
Exactly. But many English learners feel nervous when they hear this question.
Yes, they think, what should I say? Where do I start?
If you feel this way, don't worry. You are not alone.
Today, we will make this question easy,
Very easy.
very friendly,
We will show you how to talk about yourself step by step.
small steps.
Simple English.
Simple sentences.
Let's start with the most basic thing, your name.
Yes. When someone asks, tell me about yourself, you can start with your name.
For example, my name is Amma.
Or you can say, I'm Jack.
Both are correct.
Very simple.
Jack, can you give an example?
Of course. My name is Jack. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. Short and polite.
You can also spell your name if needed.
Yes. For example, my name is Amma. A-M-M-A.
This is helpful in a classroom or online meeting.
After your name, the next easy thing is your country or city.
Yes, people often want to know where you are from.
You can say, I am from Pakistan. I am from India. I am from the UK.
Or you can say, I'm from a small town. I'm from a big city.
Jack, where are you from?
I am from Canada.
That's nice. I am from the United States.
You see, very easy sentences.
No long grammar, no difficult words.
Sometimes people also ask where you live now.
Yes, especially if you move to a new place.
You can say, I live in Lahore. I live in London. I live in a small village.
You can also talk about your home.
For example, I live in an apartment. Or,
I live in a house.
Amma, where do you live?
I live in a busy city. It is noisy, but I like it.
That's good. I live in a quiet area.
See, listeners, you can add one feeling.
I like it. I love it. It is quiet. It is busy.
Now let's talk about age.
This part is optional.
Yes, you don't have to say your age if you don't want to.
But if you want, you can say, I am 25 years old.
Or simply, I'm 30.
Very easy.
Jack, how old are you?
I am 28 years old.
That's a great age.
Thank you.
Now we move to a very important part.
Yes, what you do. Your job or your studies. You can say, I am a student. Or, I am a teacher. I am a driver. I am a shopkeeper. If you are a student, you can add, I study English. I study science. I study art.
Jack, what do you do?
I am an English teacher.
That's wonderful. I am also a teacher.
Great. If you don't have a job right now, it's okay.
Yes, you can say, I am looking for a job.
Or, I am learning new skills.
Now let's talk a little about family.
Family is a common topic.
Yes, but remember, keep it simple.
You can say, I have a big family.
Or, I have a small family.
You can talk about brothers and sisters.
For example, I have one brother. I have two sisters.
Amma, do you have siblings?
Yes, I have one sister.
That's nice. I have one brother.
You don't need to explain everything.
Just one or two sentences are enough.
Many people love talking about pets.
Yes, especially dogs and cats.
If you have a pet, you can say, I have a dog.
Or, I have a cat.
You can add the name.
For example, my dog's name is Max.
Jack, do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Bruno.
That's a nice name.
Thank you. If you don't have a pet, that's fine too.
You can say, I don't have a pet.
Now comes the fun part.
Yes, things you like.
You can talk about food.
For example, I like pizza.
Or, my favorite food is rice.
You can talk about colors
My favorite color is blue.
or hobbies.
I like reading. I like watching movies.
Jack, what do you like?
I like listening to music and playing football.
That's great. I like reading books and cooking.
Let's give our listeners a short example.
Good idea.
Hello, my name is Jack. I'm from Canada. I'm an English teacher. I like music and sports. Perfect. Now, my example. Hi, my name is Amma. I live in the United States. I am a teacher. I like reading and cooking. Very clear. Very simple. No stress. Jack, let's talk about hobbies. Great idea. Hobbies are the things we do in our free time. Yes, hobbies show who you are. They also help people know you better. For example, you can say, I like reading. Or, my hobby is cooking. Very simple sentences. Amma, what is your hobby? I have a few hobbies. I like reading books. What kind of books do you read? I like storybooks and easy English books. That's very good for learning English. Yes, reading helps improve vocabulary. My hobby is listening to music. What kind of music do you like? I like calm music and soft songs. That's nice. Music helps us relax. Some people like sports. Yes, sports are also hobbies. You can say, I play football. Or, I like walking in the park. You don't need big words. Simple English is enough. Amma, do you play any sports? I don't play sports a lot, but I like walking every morning. That's very healthy. What about you, Jack? I like playing football with my friends. That sounds fun. Yes, we play on weekends. Now let's talk about food. Food is everyone's favorite topic. Yes, you can say, my favorite food is rice. Or, I like chicken. Very easy. Amma, what is your favorite food? My favorite food is pasta. That's delicious. Yes, I also like home-cooked food. I like pizza and simple food. You see, listeners, you can keep it short. Now let's talk about likes. You can say, I like movies. Or, I like watching TV. You can also say what kind. For example, I like comedy movies. I like family movies and educational videos. I like travel videos. That's nice. Now let's talk about dislikes. This is also important. You can say, I don't like spicy food. Or, I don't like waking up early. Very honest sentences. Amma, what don't you like? I don't like very loud noise. I understand. I don't like waiting in long lines. Nobody likes that. True. Now let's talk about personality. Personality means how you are as a person. You don't need difficult words. Use easy ones. For example, I am friendly. I am calm. I am shy. I am confident. Jack, how would you describe yourself? I am friendly and patient.
That's very good.
How about you, Emma?
I am calm and helpful.
Those are great qualities.
Sometimes people ask about daily routine.
Yes. You can say what you do every day.
For example, I wake up at 7 a.m.
I go to work.
I study English in the evening.
Very easy sentences.
Jack, what is your daily routine?
I wake up early. I work during the day. In the evening, I relax and listen to music.
That sounds peaceful.
Let's give a longer example.
Yes, but still simple.
Hello, my name is Jack. I am from Canada. I am a teacher. I like music and football. I don't like loud noise. I am friendly and calm.
Perfect.
Now my example.
Hi, my name is Amma. I live in the United States. I am a teacher. I like reading and cooking. I don't like spicy food. I am calm and helpful.
Very good.
Here are some important tips.
Number 1, don't memorize long answers.
Number 2, speak slowly.
Number 3, use simple sentences.
Number 4, smile and be confident.
English is about communication, not perfection.
Yes, mistakes are okay.
Now it's your turn.
Pause the video if you want.
Try to say this.
My name is, I am from, I like, I don't like, I am. Practice every day.
Practice makes you confident.
Let's quickly review what we learned. Name,
Country,
where you live,
job or studies,
family and pets.
simple likes.
We went deeper.
We talked about hobbies,
Likes and dislikes,
personality words.
daily routine.
Now we will put everything together.
Imagine this situation.
It is your first day in an English class.
The teacher asks you, please tell us about yourself.
You feel nervous.
But you remember today's lesson,
You take a deep breath.
and you speak slowly.
Hello, everyone. My name is Jack. I am from Pakistan. I am a student. I like learning English. Thank you.
That is perfect.
Short,
Clear.
confident.
Now imagine another situation.
You meet new people at a party or event.
Someone says, hi, nice to meet you. Tell me about yourself.
You don't panic.
You smile.
And you say,
Hi, my name is Amma. I live in this city. I am a teacher. I like reading and cooking.
that's it.
You don't need more.
The other person can now ask questions.
Now let's talk about job interviews.
Many learners feel scared of interviews.
But simple English is okay.
You don't need big words.
My name is Amma. I am from Pakistan. I am hardworking and honest. I like learning new skills.
Very good.
Simple words show confidence.
Now let's talk about confidence.
Confidence is very important.
Here are some easy tips.
Tip number 1, speak slowly.
Tip number 2, use short sentences.
Tip number 3, don't worry about mistakes.
Tip number 4, practice every day.
Confidence comes with practice.
Now let's talk about mistakes.
Mistakes are normal.
But here are some common ones to avoid.
Don't try to speak too fast.
Don't memorize very long answers.
Don't use difficult words you don't understand.
Simple English is powerful.
Now we will do a full conversation.
Listen carefully. Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So, tell me about yourself.
Sure. My name is Amma. I am from Pakistan. I live in a small city. I am a teacher. I like reading and helping people. What about you?
My name is Jack. I am from Canada. I am an English teacher. I like music and sports. I am friendly and patient.
That's great. Nice to meet you, Jack.
Nice to meet you too.
Now it's your turn.
Speak out loud with us.
My name is, I am from, I like, I don't like, I am. Practice every day.
Practice in front of a mirror.
Or record your voice.
Before we end, we want to say something important.
Learning English takes time.
Don't compare yourself to others.
Compare yourself to yesterday.
Every small step matters.
Every sentence you speak is progress.
The question, tell me about yourself, is not scary.
It is a chance.
A chance to share who you are.
A chance to practice English.
Keep it simple
Be yourself.
and speak with confidence.
We hope this full lesson helped you.
If you enjoyed this episode, please support us.
Subscribe to Daily English Speaking Practice
Like this video.
and share it with your friends and family.
Also, practice in the comments.
Write 2 or 3 sentences about yourself.
We love reading your comments.
Thank you so much for listening.
Keep practicing,
Keep learning.
and we will see you very soon.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye and take care.